Did you know that hamsters are small and adorable creatures that many people have had as pets at least once? They are cute, full of sweetness and bravery, making them excellent pets. There are many interesting things about hamsters that you probably never knew. So let's delve into some fascinating and surprising facts about hamsters that you might not have known before. Hamster facts. 1. Hamsters are mammals. They belong to the Cricetidae family, which is the second largest family of mammals in the world. 2. They were discovered in the 1700s. They were first recorded by scientists in 1839, but it wasn't until the 1930s that hamsters were used as laboratory animals. 3. All domestic Syrian hamsters are descended from a pair of hamsters bred in 1930. 4. There are about 25 species of hamsters, including Roverovsky, winter white dwarf, and Syrian. 5. Syrian hamsters are the most popular species of hamsters kept as pets. 6. Wild hamsters in their native habitat are at risk of extinction. 7. Long-haired hamsters are a type of Syrian hamster. 8. Their short tails make them distinguishable from other small mammals. 9. Some hamsters can jump and climb better than others. 10. Hamster breeds vary in height. Some dwarf hamsters only reach 2 inches in adulthood, while larger Syrian hamsters can grow to about 6 inches. 11. And in length. European hamsters can be over 12 inches in adulthood. 12. Keeping some hamsters as pets is rare. 13. Hamsters are omnivores. They primarily eat plants and seeds, but hamsters also consume animal proteins like insects and eggs. So, if you're looking for an engaging activity that requires minimal materials but offers maximum fun, origami might just be the perfect choice for you. Give it a try and see what amazing creations you can make. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, happy folding everyone!